Well, hello again and welcome back to my channel. Right folks, not one, not two, but three massive pieces of good news for the channel. And this all stems from my recent vlog video where I was requesting feedback over a variety of different topics. And thank you very much to those who did get in touch either via the comments or via the social media. Now, I did say having recently undergone my knee surgery and the rehabilitation, which meant I wasn't allowed in here and I'm on the lightest of light duties now, that I don't do idle very well. In essence, I don't like sitting there listening to my own mind, so I need something to keep me busy. And this is a long overdue thing for the channel, and it is now launched and live. My own website, which is across the top here, www.hand-i-craft.com. Okay, and that is going to serve as the hub for all the other bits and pieces really. So the website is live. It's hopefully to attract business in my locality, which is in Formby in Liverpool, but it's also going to act as the online shop for myself because I am skipping the likes of Etsy and I'm going to go my own way, for better or for worse, and also a members only subscription platform as well. So second piece of great news is, following all the feedback from some of the samples that I sent out for folk, I have now launched my own product, which is my cutting board conditioning wax, which can also be used as a wood finish in the workshop. And I've been using this in here for years, and I put it on top of my router table and also on the cast tops on my planer thicknesser, just to get things nice and smooth. Slightly different to some other traditional ones you might see out there, it uses Carnauba wax or Carnauba wax instead of the traditional beeswax, so it is vegan friendly. If that appeals to you, or you know, if it doesn't, it's still an amazing finish and I'm really happy with this. People saying, have you been using this long? Well, if you look to video 2, I think it is, which went out on the channel, must be nearly 4 years ago now, that will show you how to make this stuff, and I've been using it since then. So this is now available, free UK delivery, online on the website online store. And I know it works because I've just bought myself one so, just to double check all the payment stuff works. So there's our second great piece of news. And thirdly is launching a members only section on the website, which is a paid subscription service similar to the likes of Patreon or YouTube membership, but I've decided to go my own way. Okay, and it is going to be a single tier subscription, which is £3 a month, and that will get you access to vlog style videos, both about stuff going on in the workshop and things about myself as well, things that I'm not really comfortable discussing on YouTube, but I'd be more than happy to discuss behind. Unfortunately, it is a paywall, but it also is like a subscription, so I know I'm comfortable in what I'm saying to the people who are listening, and also the people are comfortable listening to what I have to say as well. So yeah, that is available on there now. Again, it is live. I know it works because I just subscribed to myself, and that cost me three quid as well. 16 quid I've spent on myself today. So please feel free to go there. So in addition to the vlog videos, I'm also going to have some behind the scenes footage of the YouTube stuff, and anybody who's a content creator out there will tell you that for a 12-minute video, it might be 3 or 4 hours worth of footage, in some cases a lot longer than that. And there are things you do cut that you'd love to include, but you just, if it drags on for too long, then it doesn't do the analytics and all that stuff any favors. So there'll be extra bits in there for things that don't make the final YouTube cut, and also add free versions of the YouTube content as well. So I hope if you're interested and you'd like to subscribe, then please head over to the website and you can have a little look. There's some other little bits and pieces on there as well. Also, I have a blog section on the website which is open to anyone to read. Now, that's not necessarily about woodworking. It's just going to be what I want to type about at the time, or what I want to say into my computer who types it out for me. And it could be a variety of topics. There is one on there now called The Blink of an Eye. If you'd like to have a little look at that, please feel free to do so. So although I have been recuperating and yes, doing my physio and yes, pacing myself, I've also been very busy in front of the computer, and I'm really excited to be launching all three of these. Okay, so the website's up there now, it's live. The Food Safe wood finish is there and available to order if you'd like to order some. I don't know if I said the price, it's £13 for 125 grams. And also the subscription platform is there. Now, I did say this in the last video instead of putting an advert in. If you would like to support the channel but you don't want to do any subscription based stuff, I now also have across the top a buy me a coffee link. So if you'd like to make a one-off voluntary donation to support the channel and myself, then please go to that website, click on that link, and links in the description as well. And if you'd like to buy me a coffee, then please feel free to do so. I was a little bit overwhelmed, I must admit, when I launched that in the last video for the donations I received. I got a little bit teary, I'm not going to lie to you. It was just phenomenal, and thank you to everybody sincerely who has done that. All money's raised and everything is just going back into the business now, going into the channel. So I am an official business now, and I will put the name of the business across the top. Took a lot of thought to come up with that one, and yeah, I'm more than happy with that one. So yeah, all money's raised as it is at the moment is just going directly back into the business, either via acquiring stock or saving up for new tools, which we always want. There's always something new that we would like, isn't there? So really glad to share all this news with you folks. It's been an interesting few weeks, you know, being laid up and stuff, but I am conscious I'm waffling now, but it's because of the nervous excitement. So I'll leave it at that one. So as ever, everyone, take care, look after yourselves, and I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.